Welcome everyone to a new video. On this channel I demonstrate a variety of breathing exercises, enhancing them with beautiful surroundings, relaxing music and animations to ensure they are as effective, enjoyable and easy to follow as possible. Today we will explore a special technique known as the breath of fire. The breath of fire is a rapid, dynamic and energizing breathing technique. It involves an active exhale followed by a passive inhale, resembling a pumping motion. To initiate the breath of fire, exhale forcefully and quickly through your nose while contracting your abdominal muscles. While doing so, draw your belly button inwards towards your spine, as if you gently tighten your waistline. The inhale happens naturally as you release the abdominal contraction. We will complete 3 rounds, each lasting 1 minute with a 30-second breath hold after each round. This is one of the most demanding breathing exercises, so listen to your body and don't hesitate to take a break. I will first demonstrate the exercise and share practical tips in this video to enhance your experience and maximize the benefits. Round 1. We will start in 3, 2, 1. You're doing great. "40 more seconds. 30 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Just 15 seconds left. You can do it. Just 10 more seconds. You're almost there. Keep pushing for a few more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Fully in and hold your breath for 30 seconds. Exhalation in 3, 2, 1. Round 2. We will start in 3, 2, 1. Forty more seconds. 30 more seconds. Keep breathing and stay focused. 20 more seconds. 10 more seconds. You're almost finished. Give it everything you've got. 3, 2, 1. Fully in. And hold your breath for 30 seconds. Exhalation in 3, 2, 1. Round 3. We will start in 3, 2, 1. You're doing great. 40 more seconds. Only 30 seconds left. Stay focused. Twenty more seconds. Just 15 seconds left. You can do it. Just 10 more seconds. Last 5 seconds. Give it your absolute best. 3, 2, 1. Fully in. And hold your breath for 30 seconds. Exhalation in 3, 2, 1. And have you felt the energy and heat building up in your body? Channel this newfound energy to have the best day possible. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences. I'm here to support you and provide information to the best of my abilities. Wishing you all the best on your journey to greater well-being.